I'm now going to replace the top side hot spring control panel. It's quite an easy job, should only take you 5 or 10 minutes. First thing we're going to do is, this panel is silicone down, so it does take a little bit of effort, but you need to just try and pop it up from the silicone. You can try and slide a flat blade underneath the panel and the bar top, or alternatively, if you can get your hand under, find the back of the panel and you can pop it from the shell. We're then going to unplug the control panel from the control box. Locate the connection from inside the box. Which is the grey cable. And then pull the control panel from the top. To reinstall the control panel, you'll find once you've removed the old, there is excess silicone, so we need to remove as much of this as you can. Just make sure that's clean and dry, so when we re-silicone the panel in, the silicone goes off. So using our new control panel, feed the cable through, and we need to silicone around the panel to glue it back into the shell. We need to make sure it's sealed as best as we can, so obviously no water can penetrate down into the control area. Locate the hole and glue into place. If any excess silicone comes out, obviously just use some towel and just wipe that clean. We then locate the end of the cable and reinstall it back into the control box. And that's the hot spring top side control panel reinstalled.